Recharge one's batteries is a commonly used idiomatic expression in the English language that metaphorically describes the process of taking a break or engaging in activities to restore one's energy, enthusiasm, and vitality. This phrase suggests the need for a pause in one's routine to rejuvenate and regain a sense of vigor and motivation. Imagine a scenario where someone has been expending a considerable amount of physical or mental energy over an extended period, such as at work or in personal responsibilities. They may feel physically and mentally drained, lacking the energy and enthusiasm to continue at the same pace. In this situation, they might express the need to recharge their batteries. The expression draws inspiration from the idea of electronic devices that rely on batteries to function. Just as a device can lose power over time and require recharging to perform optimally, individuals may also experience a depletion of their physical and emotional energy. Recharging one's batteries is akin to plugging in and replenishing one's internal energy source. This phrase is not limited to rest or relaxation alone. It encompasses a variety of activities or strategies that people use to rejuvenate themselves. It could involve taking a vacation, spending quality time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies and interests, engaging in physical exercise, practicing mindfulness or meditation, or simply getting a good night's sleep. The importance of recharging one's batteries cannot be overstated in modern life, where individuals often juggle multiple responsibilities and face high levels of stress and burnout. Taking breaks and engaging in self-care activities are essential for maintaining physical and mental well-being. By doing so, individuals can prevent exhaustion, maintain productivity, and foster a positive outlook. The phrase also emphasizes the idea that rest and relaxation are not signs of weakness, but rather essential components of a balanced and fulfilling life. In a culture that sometimes glorifies constant busyness and productivity, taking time to recharge is a valuable act of self-preservation and self-care. Recharging one's batteries can also be seen as a means of preventing or alleviating symptoms of burnout, which can include physical and mental exhaustion, cynicism, and decreased performance. Recognizing the need for a recharge is a proactive step toward preventing burnout and maintaining one's overall well-being. In summary, recharge one's batteries is an idiomatic expression that signifies the process of replenishing one's physical and emotional energy and enthusiasm. It underscores the importance of taking breaks, engaging in self-care, and pursuing activities that promote well-being and prevent burnout. This phrase serves as a reminder of the need to prioritize rest and rejuvenation in our fast-paced and demanding lives.